Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefani Hart, and today I'm going to review about the new palette. Actually, it's not new. Actually, it's already a year maybe. It's called Juvia Place, the Masquerade Mini. I have the mini one because the big one is too much for me. And so the first one, let's review about the packaging. The packaging is just standard, like the carbon plastic thing, and you got the front like this. It's all pink, so all of you likes pink might like this packaging maybe. And then on the back side it said made in PRC. I don't know what is PRC actually. There you go, it's PRC, right? There. And I bought this around 500 or so, 500,000 rupiah. And inside the packaging you got this kind of bubble thing, like 2 layers of this bubble, so you get 4 layers like this to keep your palette safe. And this is the palette look like, so exactly look like the packaging. This is the packaging and this is the actual palette. Ooh, look how beautiful it is. I've been using this for a while now, so that's why I'm just reviewing this, so I can give you my final thought. And when you open this palette, there you go, you have around 16 color. Mostly it's a normal color. I mean, like you can wear it every day, like this color to this 2 row you can use it, right? This is for like under your brow bone, and then the other for the central of your eye. So I already swatched this for you, but I think the file might be gone, so I will swatch it again. So the first color is the purple. It's called She. This is just one swipe, guys. Can you believe this? This is only a one swipe color. And I will swatch it for you. This is the first color. It's called Chi. And then the second color, this is also just one swipe only. This color. This color is called Mall. Can you see this? It's actually a really intense color, if you say. Oh, the focus is not good. This color. And then move on to the next color. It's called Dahlia. See? Just one swipe. Dahlia is more vibrant than the previous one. This is Dahlia. And then this color is really interesting because it's like has a Tosca color. It's called Sola. This color is called Sola. It has a mermaid kind of blue. And then next is Makeda. This is the color. And next is Sobo. And then Calabar. Calabar has glitter, little glitter I think. And then Bori is like a shock pink. This is Bori. This is Bori. And then move on to the neutral color. It's called Giza. This is Giza. My hand is really full, you know. This is very suitable for under your brow bone. And then the next one. This is the neutral. I think it could be used for. It could be used for base color. And then move on to Cairo. And then Ada. It's like Indonesian name. And then ooh, beautiful color. I usually use Dahlia. This color is called Dahlia. Dahlia. It's very hard. For my highlighter. Really, it really works. And it's good. This is Dahlia. See, this color could be used as highlighter. And then next one is Zulu. Oh, almost gone. And then we got Casablanca. This is Casablanca. This is Casablanca. And then the final one is Fulani. Only Fulani doesn't work, I think. Not really that intense compared to other color that in the pan. See? It's not really bright and vibrant. Other color I think is good. Only Fulani. And now I will make tutorial using this palette and I hope you guys like it. First color I will use Burkina, this color. I will place this all over my eyes. By the way, I'm not a professional makeup artist or whatsoever, so in case you are a little bit disappointed with my tutorial, I'm just using this for my everyday look, just in case, you know. And then aku kayaknya nggak pakai. Okay. By the way, I'm not using any of eye primer in this video because I want to test out the intensity of the color. And this is for the base. See how intense the color is? Just one layer. And then the next color I will using other color, this one. I will place it outside my eye corner, outside my eye, just place it there. Make it really pop. See? It's a little bit crazy though, I think. I just want to show you the intensity, okay? So, whatever. And then I will test out the glitter color using this color called Calabar. Just right there. I'll place it on the center of my eye. It's really easy to work with, you know. Just one swipe and then the color is just there. So we don't have to go back and forth to replace the color. And then for the inner corner, I will use my finger just for easy. I use this much for my inner corner. Oh, that's crazy. It's crazy though, but I like it. Okay, so this is the very simple tutorial using these three color here, and this is for the inner corner. This is just for the mixture. I'm using this tutorial using only these three color, this, and this, and this is for the base, and then this is I put it outside the eye, and I use it this on the center of my eye, and this is for the under the brow bone. This is for the inner corner. The texture though, I like it because it's not that chalky, but when I swatch it in my hand, can you see? It's really dusty, but it's okay, it's normal for, you know, for an eyeshadow. So in conclusion, I really like the palette from Juvia Place. I think I might buy another palette from Juvia Place because of the price. It's really cheap. I'm not really saying that really cheap quality, but really worth the money. That's what I'm saying. And so that's conclude today's video. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you next one. Bye.